Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in Tinder account. So if you also want to sign in Tinder account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in order to sign into your Tinder account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tinder application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Tinder application has been opened. Over here you'll be able to find the sign in methods. You can see three methods over here: sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with phone number. What you have to do is tap on the sign in method that you use to create the account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option sign in with phone number. If you also tap on the option sign in with phone number, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your phone number. First of all, make sure to select the country code. Simply tap on the field of country code. After that, simply select the country code over here. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number. Simply enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. A code will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is enter that code over here. You can see over here I've entered the code. Now what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So like this you'll be able to sign in to your Tinder account. So that is how you sign in Tinder account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.